Good day friends, namaskar dosto, sat sri akal, assalamu alaikum, kasaka ke jo. Welcome to my channel, Your Property Explorer, the one-stop shop for all property. Well, I've explored another one today in the heart of Navi Mumbai at Nerul. But before we get to all that, I'd just like to request you guys like, subscribe, and share. That's only if you guys have really loved my videos. Coming back to the property, yes, I'm referring to this beautiful complex right behind me. It consists of 2 BHKs, 3 BHKs, 4 BHKs, shops, and offices as well. Let me just go ahead and give you first-hand experience of this. Go ahead and do the honor, man. The cameraman, Vineet Ali, appreciate you shooting all these lovely videos. Yes, this is under construction. Should take approximately 6 months to get completed. Works in full swing, as one can see. The RCC is completed. The brickwork has started. Yeah, too much of banging around. I'm sorry about the disturbance because I'm standing on the main road. As I said, this is one of the most sought after neighborhoods of Navi Mumbai. That's in Nerul, touching the railway station. Has a bunch of residential and commercial complexes. Most of the brands around it, one can see. So, well, this is, as I said, purely for investors. So if you guys interested in multiplying your money, call me, text me, WhatsApp me. Highly appreciate you guys watching my videos. And until the next time that we meet, all I'd like to say is peace, shalom, shanti, salamat. Yeah, planet and country definitely needed. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra. Thank you so much.